Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the zoom pedal and verifying signal flow so you can hear changes as you tweak. Plug a tuned guitar into input and the amp into output, then engage the 9V or battery. Once done, choose a preset bank and press the pedal to wake it. LED feedback shows readiness. Make sure the amp is clean and low so effects are obvious. You're establishing a controlled baseline so every parameter you change is audible and meaningful. You now dive into editing. Scroll patches with page or up/down to find a starting tone, then enter edit to alter modules. Change effect order because signal chain affects tone, modulation before delay sounds different than after. Adjust depth, rate, and mix while playing so you hear each shift, and use the display to confirm numeric values. Once satisfied, press right to store the patch. Also try tap tempo and the tuner or looper features to integrate timing and practice utility. To finish, balance overall gain so your amp isn't clipping and set each patch's mix to taste. This makes transitions consistent. If you lose sound, check cables, battery voltage, and adapter polarity first, then confirm input/output jacks and amp settings. If problems persist, reset the patch or the pedal to factory and reload your backup. Make sure firmware is current via USB when possible. One troubleshooting tip: swap a known.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.